LoRa repeater lasts 5 years on PVC pipe and D cells, a long-lasting, affordable solution. Sometimes, simplicity and affordability are the best choices. That's the philosophy behind Bertrand Selva's innovative LoRa tube project. LoRa is a popular and powerful wireless communication technology, and LoRa tube takes it a step further by creating an autonomous repeater in a unique and cost-effective way. The LoRa tube is designed to be weatherproof and self-contained, housed within a length of PVC pipe. The antenna is positioned at the top, while the essential hardware and a stack of 18 D-sized alkaline cells are tucked inside. This setup is powered by a supercap buffered power supply, which is designed to be efficient and long-lasting. Bertrand estimates that this configuration should provide 5 years of operation, making it a reliable and cost-effective solution. While building a basic LoRa repeater can be done in about an hour, adding off-grid capabilities can quickly increase costs. Solar panels, charge controllers, and rechargeable power supplies introduce potential points of failure and add complexity. In contrast, the LoRa tube's simple and rugged design, utilizing readily available materials, offers a more reliable and affordable alternative. With its low standby current, the LoRa tube is a testament to the idea that sometimes, going cheap and simple can be the best choice. In the video embedded below, you can watch Bertrand demonstrate the LoRa tube's capabilities with a range test. The project page also includes source code and CAD files for those interested in further exploration. And remember, the black outdoor helper cat is not included in the package. This project showcases how creativity and resourcefulness can lead to innovative solutions that are both functional and budget-friendly. It's a great example of how technology can be harnessed to meet practical needs without breaking the bank.